Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell and to another cleaning and organisation video. So today I am going to be sorting out the dreaded under the kitchen sink. Yeah, I'm going to be clearing everything out in here, getting it more organised, also cleaning some of the pipes. They look a bit disgusting, and giving the sink itself a good clean. This is honestly a job that I have been putting off doing for ages, but it's a really miserable day. There's not a lot else to do, so I decided that I'm finally going to do it because I know that I will feel so much better when it's done. So hopefully this gives you some ideas around how you can organise under your kitchen sink, or maybe just gives you some motivation to get on with a job that you have been putting off for ages, like I know I definitely have. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle. I upload 2 videos a week. I do a lot of kind of cleaning, cooking, organisation, foodie videos. So yeah, just a little bit of everything really. So would love for you to subscribe. So let's get on with cleaning the sink. I'm going to start with this and just basically get everything out, and then I can give the pipes and everything a good clean. I've got my little helper with me again today. So when I was emptying the cupboard, I basically made 2 piles, one for what I wanted to keep and another for rubbish.
We've cleaned it, finally. It's actually still quite...
Once the cupboard was empty, I vacuumed the bottom as I'd actually spilt some bicarb in there, and then next up was to actually clean the pipes, and I put a bowl underneath just to catch any water that may fall. So it's
gross.
Look at that. That is
gross.
Ugh.
That is disgusting. That is disgusting, isn't it, guys? So as I was just cleaning under here, this is where I get quite a lot of water from this pipe here, trying to take it off, and then I realised while I'm getting quite a lot of water is the actual pipe is broken. So we need to get obviously a new pipe. For now Nick's just going to get some tape just so we can try and look. You can see it's like completely cracked, which is annoying. So I'm just going to wipe round it for now, and then just try and put some tape on it just for the time being. So Nick has just been to Wicks and got some self-fusing amalgamate tape. So basically I believe that you wrap this round and then it kind of seals on itself and then becomes a rubber. So this wasn't a job that I planned on having to do when I did this, but yeah, hopefully this works as a measure until we get new pipes under here. I cleaned the pipes out in a bowl in the bathroom as this sink was obviously out of action, and I honestly couldn't believe the amount of gunk that came out of it. And I was really surprised because I do clean this and kind of put stuff down it quite regularly too. Once all the pipes were screwed back on and I'd put the tape round, I did a quick test running the tap and was happy to report there were no leaks. Now that that is all fixed, and that is something that I didn't plan on obviously doing, but I'm glad that that is done, but it's obviously a bit of a temporary measure. Then I moved on to clearing out the drawers. So I've got a couple of these drawers that I have under there that I picked up from Wilkinson's that I do need to sort through, as to be honest, some of these products are probably quite old, they won't even work. So I'll try and link these drawers down below, they're really handy. And you can also buy these inserts for them, plus they're stackable. So this first box housed some cleaning, paste, Sephora, descaling tablets, plugins, Basically anything a bit on the smaller side, which will probably just get lost in the cupboard and be really difficult to find. And I'd also labelled the front of the boxes. The second box was essentially cloths and sponges that I store in here, and again, just really handy for keeping them all in one place rather than just thrown in the cupboard. With the two drawers much more organised now, I moved on to my cleaning caddy, and I use this all the time, pretty much every day. It's actually labelled my daily cleaning caddy, and in this caddy I have all of those daily essentials that I might need when cleaning. It's super handy just because I can just pick it up and take it around the house with me wherever I go. And then I also have this other basket where I keep anything that I don't use as often, or maybe a duplicate what I already have. So I always check in here first before purchasing anything else. I feel like we're making much more progress now, so put everything back in that I've just sorted out, and already it feels much more organised. So next up was just to pour the dishwasher salt into a container. For some reason I had 2 bags open of dishwasher salt, so I can just put them all in here. It's just much more organised than just having them thrown around in bags in there. And then pop that back into the cupboard, and that is pretty much the underneath the sink pretty much done, to be honest. And as you can see, it looks so much more organised when it did previously, so quite pleased with where I've got so far. Then I added these hooks. I added these quite a while ago, and they are great for hanging like cloths that you use daily, washing up gloves. I put my mini brush and a duster on there as well. Yeah, just super handy. I've got these little peg kind of clip things as well that go on there. So yeah, that is the under sink done, and I did get rid of quite a bit of clutter. Everything now has its place, so hopefully it will stay nice and organised. Now moving on to cleaning the sink itself, and I always follow the same method when I'm doing this. Firstly, going in with Cif cream cleaner, and then using my Scrub Mummy or Scrub Daddy, I can't remember which one it is, just to clean the sink. And I find this really gets any kind of dirt off, but doesn't obviously scratch it neither. Once the sink is all rinsed clean, I then go in with the Method stainless steel cleaner, which is great on both sinks and hobs, and I just use a clean cloth to wipe it down and then buff it up to a shine. With the sink clean, I added my Scrub Daddy holder. This is genius for holding it, and I've also got a new one for my sponge too. It just means then that they don't end up sitting in stagnant water or anything, and yeah, I just find it a lot more hygienic than just kind of leaving them lying around. So that's the sink clean, the cupboard all organised. Obviously I still need to fix those pipes, as the tape really is only a temporary measure. So here was a quick before of what it looked like, and then this is what it looks like now. So much better. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and it gives you some motivation to clean under your sink or do a job that you've been putting off, as believe me, you feel so much better when it's done. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!